how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Binance application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, here at the bottom, you will find this trade icon. Tap on this trade icon in the central button, and from there you will find buy option. Tap on this buy, and once you have chosen it, you will reach to this page. Here at the right side, you can see currently Bitcoin is selected. If the Bitcoin is not selected, you need to tap on it, and from the list of these cryptos, you need to select Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. And once you do so, now you will be able to enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to purchase. Tap on this box and here enter the amount. After you specify how much Bitcoin you'd like to purchase, to buy Bitcoin on Binance, first of all you will need to verify your account. For that you need to tap on this verify account button at the bottom, and from there you need to follow the prompts to complete the form. After you have successfully verified your account, you will be then prompted to complete the payment process. If you are using a card, you can enter the card details and confirm the transaction. And after the purchase is complete, you can change your wallet to see your newly acquired Bitcoin. So by following these steps, you should be able to purchase or buy Bitcoin on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.